Hi all, Niecy Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you a basic zigzag stitch on the Kenmore 385.12916890 sewing machine. So let's get started. I have my scrap fabric here and we're ready to go. When you are working with zigzags, let's look at some of the presets here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to use stitch number 3. So I'm going to turn this one to the zigzag looking one, number 3. And then let's make our length between, let's do 1. And then you want to make sure that your tension is correct and that your thread is loaded at the top. And you know your bobbin is in there at the bottom. Okay, the needle wasn't threaded, so I had to do that. So I have my scrap fabric here, and I am going to place it somewhere along the 5/8 seam allowance. So my 5/8 line is there. Then I will manually turn my hand wheel and put the needle in the fabric. I go back to 1, 2, and then go forward. Cut that thread there. And this, my friend, is the most wonderful zigzag stitch. You want to check the front as well as the back to make sure everything is looking nice, and it does. And that is how you create a zigzag stitch with the Kenmore 385.12916890 sewing machine. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our page as well as click the bell so that you know when our next video is coming out. Follow us on our socials, and thanks for watching and happy sewing.